बिरेस्तारा आवाज प्रदूषण आड मेणवाती पेटोवन हणजूणकारांनी आंदोलन केले। मात तरी आसतना रातच्या 10 उपरांत ज्या क्लबांनी मोठ्या आवाजात म्युझिक वाजयतात तांचेर कारवाय करूंक नाशिल्ल्यान सलग दुसऱ्या दिसाकूय थळाव्यांनी पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर धडक मोर्चा व्हेलो। राती 10 उपरांत संगीत वाजोवपाक मनाय आसा, पूण वागातोर वाठारांत नेम फाट्यार मारून कांय क्लब राती 10 उपरांत मोठ्या आवाजात म्युझिक वाजयतात। ह्या म्युझिकाचो लोकांक बरोच त्रास जाता। देखून हणजूणच्या तिडकल्ल्या थळाव्यांनी बिरेस्तारा वाडपी आवाज प्रदूषणा आड मेणवाती पेटोवन आंदोलन केले। शुक्रारा ह्याच थळाव्यांनी परतून एक फावट पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर धडक मोर्चा व्हेलो। तेन्ना फाटल्या 10 दिसांत 4 जाणां आड गुन्यांव नोंद जाल्लो आसा। देखून आमच्यो मागण्यो लक्षांत घेवन उपअधीक्षकान कारवाय करपाचे आश्वासन आमकां दिल्लें आसा। जर तशें जायना तर आमी परतून धडक मोर्चा घेवन वतले अशी शिटकावणी हणजूणकारांनी ह्या वेळार दिल्ली आसा।
Finally, the solution what the DYSP Mr. Chodankar sir has given us is that today he is asking us to trust him and assuring us that he has the licenses of 13 venues which he will provide to us at his office. We will be heading there. He has asked us to initiate questions against other departments like the Panchayat and whatever the MLA, whoever is coming to resolve our issues, which we will do that, because we cannot keep blaming the police itself. They are limited with their resources, we understand. But we are asking a very simple question at wee hours of the morning, it's 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, whom do we reach out to? Whom do we ask, sir, we have a problem, please resolve our problem? The police has said that they will always be there. But they said their hands are tied. They do not have certain faculties to pick up the equipment or to do anything that will grant us sleep. Even the monitoring issue, the noise monitoring station issue was raised, and the DYSP was also informed that according to the clause 4 of once they get the license, before they start operating, they have to install the noise monitoring system. Now the corrigendum that was asked for today from the GSPCB, we have not heard back from them. So as it is, the situation in Anjuna and Bagator is such as you all continue to face problems. We do not care about your problem. We will take stand only when it is reached to such a state that all the people have to come here. Please help us. Please help us get a good night's sleep. That's all we are asking for. And we hope that we don't have to come again tomorrow, because if we have to, we will definitely come. But one thing I want to state this on the camera is that today when we went to the venues, I have realized that it is not safe, because I went to solve an altercation. I was caught in between, and we have women with us, we have elderly people with us. We cannot put them in the throes of these dangers. We cannot allow that to happen. So we will have our protest, but if needed to come here, we will come and wait only at the police station, because I hope, according to what DYSP sir has said and PI Paresh sir has said, this is the safest place. We hope that sir has said he has already booked 4 cases in the past 10 days, and we have to book more cases. We hope sir continues to.
स्नेहा सोटिकारा सहित ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक TV।